What's the meaning of astronomically? Astronomically. Astronomically.
Astronomically. Astronomically. The word astronomically refers to something that is related to astronomy, which is the study of celestial bodies such as stars, planets, and galaxies. When used in everyday language, it typically means something that is very large or impressive in scale, similar to the vastness of space. For example, one might describe a company's profits as increasing astronomically over the past year, indicating a significant and impressive growth in revenue. Overall, astronomically connotes a sense of grandness and magnitude.